What's good, guys? Okay. Yo, y'all wanted to see some races? Y'all want to see me gap this fool? Yeah, fool. I'm king of New York.
We saw in the car. You guys want to see some races? That's what you guys gonna see now.
Y'all want to see some races?
Now it's gonna be my car E30 with the E30 tune versus the Stage 2, just Stage 2.
We're gonna see how much of a difference E30 Stage 2 and a regular Stage 2 93 tune is.
Yeah, we're gonna see what's good.
We're gonna see if it's actually worth getting a E30 tune.
Yeah, we're gonna see. We'll see what's up.
We're gonna see.
You guys gonna see the results.
We're not gonna talk that much. We're just gonna race. Let's do this, baby. Look at the little reindeer. Damn, Arlay. Damn, Arlay. Damn, Arlay. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. They are just so freaking cute. Alright, man. Oh shit. Zoomed into my face. Oh! Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna gap this fool. Nah. Alright, so I'm the one that has the Stage 2 93 tune. The white car. The red car, just to be clear, the red car has an E30 tune on Stage 2. You know what we're gonna have to do to beat him? We're gonna have to figure a way to beat him. So you know what I did? Took a shit in his intake. Round 1! Wait, let me do my 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Well, boys, we got gapped. I'm going home. I'm going home. Fuck him. He hurt my feelings. Listen here, boys. We're gonna get him right now. We're gonna get him. Watch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We got gapped again. I almost had him though. You know what? You know what? I'm about to order some car parts when I get home, man. This is ridiculous. What are you doing? Alright, so this is round 3. The third time is a charm. Honestly, that jumped pretty fast, I gotta say. Second. 40. The shit out of me like fucking 3 cars. God damn. I almost had you, bro.
You almost had me?
Yeah.
By how many cars?
By 3. It was
That's a big difference, yo.
Hell yeah.
Damn, look at that. Damn, look at that G35, boy.
Where?
Race, yo. Good race. Good race.
Fuck off. Fuck, don't talk to me. I'm going home. I'm going home, bro. Fuck off. Do it again, Nitro. Do it again, Nitro.
How the fuck do you make this shit?
Come on, Nitro. Yo. Nelson's nickname is Nitro. If you guys didn't know, just call him. No. Call him Nicho. Nicho. That's Nicho right there. Everyone call him Nicho. It's not Nelson. It's Nicho. Nicho. Damn, I got gap, bro. Damn. You know, I don't like getting gap. I don't appreciate that shit. You know, I got a tune. Same day I raced a guy. I was like, yeah, I'm about to gap him. Now I'm tuned, right? There's some random dude on the highway. Bro, I got gapped. I got gapped. What else do I need to do, man? They're gonna make me build my freaking motor. Like, these people are too crazy out here, man. Man, oh, it's whatever. Now you can cut the camera. I said cut the camera, bro. I'm trying to go cry.